Okay, so in order to make the thickness pellet, what we're going to do is we're going to quite literally get equal proportions of flour and butter, and we can literally just moosh these down. And when it's a nice even consistency, that will be our thickness pellet. Next, we've got some green peppercorns. And don't chop these too finely. Nice heavy bottom pan, okay, pan on. Bring it up to a decent heat. $50ml of brandy. A little bit of swoosh. And flambe. Now if you haven't flambéed before, don't worry, it's perfectly safe, but just do make sure that you have got some fire safety around you, some sort of fire blanket ideally. And then in with your stock. I prefer a veal stock, but you can use beef, chicken, or whatever takes your fancy. Now let it simmer. 5 minutes. Now, in with our little thickening ball.